Hello everyone, my name is DIXIT and this is my channel Pen Test Diaries. Today I'll give you a walkthrough of one of the retired machine of HackTheBox. The name of the machine is Delivery. In this machine, what are the steps I have to take it to get it compromised? This machine, how to get the user flag and the root flag, everything I'll try to get it covered in this video. So now we'll go to our system and try to see like how to get it compromised this machine. So in this machine, as we are solving delivery, so in this machine the first thing which we have to fire it is the nmap command, and the IP address is changed over here. As I've solved the machine, it's get retired, so that was the reason. So let me fire the command. So over here the IP address is totally different, like it might be randomly generated at the time of starting the machine, as it's already retired. So this time I'm solving the already retired machine. Okay, we'll wait for the output. So we can able to see the result of nmap. So port 22 is enabled and port 80 is enabled, looks like by -a itself. Okay, so we'll just open the browser. Okay, let me close everything. Okay, now what I'll try, it's HTTP, then I'll just try for the IP address 96.175. Let me try to get it access so I can able to see this. Quantity is one of the section for it. Okay, let me try to open the source code. Is there anything like delivery? Okay, so I can able to see two entries of it. So what we have to do, helpdesk.delivery.stp is one of the entry in the host. We have to do it, and I think that's it. Okay, perfect. Okay, yeah, so looks like perfect. So what we have to do, we'll simply have to go to our host entry and we'll have to do the entry now. Let me modify the IP address. It's .96.175 and I can able to see the host entry. So these are the two entries, you have to put it from your side. Okay, once we're done with the entry for it, what we have to do, we'll try to get it access this helpdesk.delivery.stp directly. Okay, let me try to get it, copy this, open it directly on a browser. Okay, it will not work. Let me put the HTTP before that and this will work for me. I'll just wait for the output and it's working for me now. What I have to do, I'll simply have to create one ticket. Let me put any email account over there itself. So I'll just take it one account as sipsec@test.com. You can take it randomly anything. Okay, I'm taking like this only, so you can put it anything from your side. I'll just put it the contact number as this and contact us, then I'll put A, B, C, and the content I'll put it as secret. Okay, now we'll go to the captcha section 246. Now I'll click on create ticket. Okay, so the ticket is created for me. Now what we have to do next, I'll run the nmap once again just to identify if any other port is pending over here or not. Let me try to run this command. Okay, and I'll wait for the output. So now we can able to see the result, and there is one more port, we can see it over here. It's 8065. It looks like an unknown port. Okay, so what's the next thing we have to do it? Okay, we have already created one ticket, so let me try to see the status of this ticket. Let me copy this over here, put it the ticket number, remove this content, and what exactly IP address, it's 26. Okay, now I'll put my email ID @test.com. let me see whether I can able to see the status. Yeah, I can able to see the status now. Okay, so that is one other thing. Now what we have to do next, as we can able to identify the port number as 8065, so we'll try to get it access delivery.stp on the same port. So once we go inside of it, where we can able to sign up the email also, so that I'm doing it right away. Let me try to get it access this. Okay, I can able to it access. Okay, what we have to do, I'll simply have to put the same email ID. So what email ID we are looking for it, so we are looking for this one. Okay, whatever the ticket is created, we just put that as an email ID over here. The username we can take it as SipeSec, and the password, make sure your password should be a strong one, as minimum 10 characters required over here to get it put. Okay, so I'll put one strong password, which is a long one password. Okay, I'll put this password and click create account. Okay, so now what is exactly happened, it will resend the mail to this section. Okay, so what I have to do, I'll click on resend email. Okay, let me click on resend email, verification email sent. Okay, what we have to do, we'll just go back once again. I'll just try to get it, copy the latest. Okay, it's 77426. Let me get it, copy this, paste it over here, and my email ID is SipeSec test. Okay, let me try to see it, whether I can able to see. Yeah, I can able to see now. Okay, this is the link which we are looking for it. We'll just simply copy this complete link, put it in next tab, and I'll click on this. Okay, it will give us a validation for the email is completed. Such type of output we can get it out of it. Okay, sorry, it looks like it's already get it login inside of it. Let me try to get it log off, and then I'll try with it. Okay, let me try to validate that. Okay, so invite has invalid. I'm not sure why is it showing such type of thing. Let me try once again, otherwise I'll generate the ticket once again. If I'm getting the same error once again. Okay, so there's a problem with that. Okay, so what we have to do, I'll simply go over here. Okay, I'll copy this email over here. Okay, and username as SipeSec. Password, I'll set it as a long password. We are setting it over here. Okay, now click on create account. I think this will create my account, and username is already exist. Okay, sign in. I forget my password. I'll try to get it login with my 1426 is the one, right? Let me try to reset it. Okay, to reset your password, enter the email ID used to sign up. Failed to send password, reset successfully. Okay, let me try. It's not. Then what I exactly have to do, I'll just open one more ticket for me. Contact us. This is CBA and create secret, and I'll create the ticket. Once I'll create the ticket, the same number is utilizes over here itself. I'll go back to this section, create new account, @ I think this will be the same one which we are looking for it. Okay, then I'll put it the delivery. I think it's delivery only, delivery.htb. Okay, delivery, and what's the username is SipeSec1. Okay, password I'll set it the same one. Let's see whether this will work now or not. No, it's not working. Sign out, open new ticket. Okay, email ID this time I'm giving it as sipesec1@test.com. okay, sipesec1. Contact number, I'll give it anything like this. I'll click on contact us. This is DRE, and any content I'll put it inside of it. It's 5DA7B. okay, click on create ticket. So the ticket is created now for me. Now what I'll do, I'll just go to this section, I'll paste it this, okay, SIPSEC1 this, and click on create ticket. So this will create the ticket for me. Okay, so now what I can do, I'll just try to check the status of the same. Okay, instead of that I'll just remove this. Okay, and now the email ID is sipsec1@test.com. let me try to see the status of it, and I can able to see the mail. Okay, so what I have to do, I'll simply copy this email now. Okay, let me try to copy the full email. Okay, I'll go to this section, paste it over here, click on it, and I'll wait for the output. I think this will work for me in one shot. I'm supposed to get the output now. Okay, I'm getting the output. So you can see that email verified. Okay, what we have to do once again, I'll try to do the same thing, and it will work. So now what I have to do, I'll simply try to get it login inside of it. Okay, so now whatever the password I have set it for this email ID, I'll put it the same password, and I'll click on sign in. I'll expect that I can go inside of it. Now we are inside of this portal. Click on internal, and over here itself you can click on more. No, nothing like that. Skip the tutorial, and I can able to see a developer, please update the theme and the credential to the server of mail this. So you can see the credential is straightforward, is provided over here. So what I have to do, I'll simply clear the screen. SSH, it's mail. What is the username and the password? Let me try to get it, copy this directly. Okay, let me try to get it, copy this, paste it. And what is the password? Password is also with me, which I can get it from the portal directly. I'll put it the password, and we'll go inside of the home directory, then a mail, and then we can able to see the user.txt. This is the initial flag, we can able to see it. Now what's the next step for it? So this is the first one which we are looking for it. Now the next step for it, we'll just go inside of the opt, and now inside of the conf. Okay, now over here itself, it's config.json file, grab with user, so I can able to see database details. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll simply use this with the username and the password. So whatever we are getting it out of it, we'll just use that only over here. So localhost will try to get it login. Username is already provided, and the password. So we are using the password also over here. That's it. Let me try to get it login, and we are inside of it. So now we'll just ask for databases, and let me see, 2 databases are there, so it's Mattermost. Okay, now show tables. Oh, sorry. So I can able to see the tables also. So what is the next step for it? Now inside of the tables itself, we are looking for a users also. So this is the command, you have to fire it. So by this way you can able to get the details about that users one also. So now this command you have to get it fired, by which we can able to fetch the username password from the user section itself. Okay, so let me try to run this, and I can able to get the password of the root. I'll initially try to crack it, but it's not working for me by default. Okay, let me try to get it open the terminal once again for you. Okay, I'll go to the once again over here itself, and you can able to see, please subscribe may not be a rock you, but if any hacker manage to get our hashes, they can use hashcat rules to easily crack all the variations of the common words or passphrases. So this is the clue over here itself. So we'll try to make it a word list with this. So let me fire one of the command and using this keyword to make it a word list. Okay, so I'm just making the word list over here. It's already created. I'll try to see that also now. Sorry, WC word list, I can able to see the content. Even whatever the hash we are getting it, I'll put it over here itself. Let me run the hashcat to get the output, and I feel like I can able to see the content. Okay, hyphen show. So I can able to see the password. As I already cracked it, that was the reason it's not cracking once again. So I can use the credential directly. So this is the credential, you have to get it copy. I'll go back to the session once again, put it sudo root, and I'll try to put the password, and I'll be inside of the root only, and I can able to read the content of the root.txt file. So it's a easy machine. So I'll just give you a summary once again, what are the steps we are doing it for this machine to get it solved. Okay, so in this machine, the first thing which we have to do with the nmap, we have to run it. By that way we just came to know about it, like port 80 and 22 are enabled over there itself. By that way we just proceeding further with port 80, and by port 80 we just trying to get it access. So it looks like a static page, and just opening the source code of that page, we can able to see the domain entries over the domain details over there itself. I can see the host name details over there itself. I'll try to put in my host name file, and then on the basis we'll try to get it access it. We can able to see one of the portal over there itself. We'll try to create a ticket, then using that same ticket we'll try to see the status. Then there is when we create a ticket it's at the rate delivery.html. we are using the same on another port itself, it's 8065. we just running a -p when go for the full scan, then at the time we just able to identify one more port other than port 80 and 22. So in that case we'll just proceed further with that port, and we'll try to register a user over there itself. Once we get it registered, then on the basis of that we'll get a ticket details, and there is a link is just provided in the comment section for it. We'll just try to get it copied to validate our email account. Once we're done with that, we'll try to use the same 8065 section portal, and we'll try to get it logged inside of it. Once we go inside of it, we can able to fetch the detail in the comment section. We can able to see the password of the mail one. So we'll just try to get it logged in with that. By that we are getting a user initial flag. Once we're done with that, we'll just proceed further with that. We'll go to the off folder matterhost, and then by that way we can able to see the config file. We'll just get the details about couple of steps inside of it. So we just run that command with a grep just to identify the users only. We'll just fetch out the credentials. We'll use that in the MySQL, and we'll just go inside the tables. Then the user and the password will get it. So finally we get the root password hash, but the problem is that we can't crack it directly. So we'll just go once again to the portal, just see the clue, and it's a clue of please subscribe. So that was one of the clue. We'll try to make it a word list on the basis of our requirement, and then we'll use the hashcat to crack it. We'll crack that password. We use that sudo with a root, and we'll try to get it become as a root. We can able to see the root flag out of it. So this is the only thing which I just want to get it covered in this machine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you like to connect me, you can connect me directly on LinkedIn. The LinkedIn profile link I'll provide in the description section of this video, and even you can provide your comments. So you can provide your comments in the comment section of this video. So thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.